Enabling or disabling show charging information lets you choose whether to display battery level and estimated charging time on the screen when the device is charging and the always-on display is off. Let's get started. First, tap the home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and select display. Next, scroll to the bottom of the display page to find show charging information. To toggle this feature on or off, simply use the switch. When it's on, the charging status and estimated time until fully charged will appear on your screen, even if always on display is turned off. However, if you prefer not to see this information while charging, you can toggle the feature off. And that's it. Tap the home button to return to the home screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials.